Regulators! Alright guys, welcome to Life.ATV. Got Cody on the camera.
How's it going?
As you can see guys, the first half of this video, the Honda looks quite a bit different. As you can see, Cody, we got rid of the red up here. We got a new gray piece. Yep. This is a piece off of 2009. We got Alba Nerf bars on right now. And show them the real difference maker back there, man.
Bam!
How's that look, boys?
That looks
She's not done yet.
nice.
We're still waiting for parts to come in. We also got, we're gonna get this dyno tuned and everything. But yeah, she's coming along. So guys, it's just me and the old man here today. Well, Cole's coming. But as you can see, it's pretty shitty out. So we are gonna start the Honda 700 build right there, that bad boy. So I got my wife's car and it's full of a bunch of goodies. So let's get right into it.
Ooh.
Been telling you guys, new HMF full system exhaust right here.
Danny spares no expense. Spares no expense.
And then this is just a new air filter. Air squad can use as a storage rack.
It's about all it's good for.
Yeah, man. Then Team Alba Nerf.
Well, that's one way to empty the box.
That just happened. Dom actually gave this to us when we bought the quad from him, so shout out to him.
Your favorite brand too.
Yep, Team Alba. Then we got an oil change kit, oil and filter right here. And then, been kind of debating this. This, let's see if I can take it out here. New front piece for the Honda. I think we're going away with the red. What do you think, old man, about that? That looks pretty sharp.
I like it. I like it.
We'll get rid of the seat.
I'd wait till you get the rest of it though.
Yep. So, yeah.
Put it back in that wrap, man. That's nice.
So this isn't everything. I got new ODI grips coming, ASV clutch and brake lever, and then we also got the Power Commander 5 at home.
Oh.
Here she goes. Got her. But she's pretty dark, man.
Usually the bottom.
She's pretty dark. Definitely time to be changed.
We didn't have a bag for this one.
Yeah, I know I need a bag, you're right. Because this is mainly a trail riding machine. Out with the red.
Out with the red. Here we go, buddy. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Come on, baby. Damn it, it don't fit. There it is.
We definitely need to get rid of that seat now, boys. It is.
Actually looks kind of cool. It looks freaking...
Get rid of the seat. Here's a new pipe, boys. Red HMF. And then we're gonna paint the other part black on there to match the quad.
It's really nice on yellow, dog.
It would look nice, but it's not intended for yellow dog. Old man's taking off the old exhaust right now. And obviously we're gonna put this on, but we're gonna go get a dyno tuned and have the Power Commander 5 put on, so this thing is gonna rip. What do you guys think? How does it look? Me and old man both agree it looks pretty sharp. Nice HMF, gives it some color. Old man's just finishing tightening it up. Sounds like. What do you think, Bobs? Gold's here. Check her out, man. You notice anything different about it?
Plastic one. That's nice. I really like that.
Yeah, we gotta do something about the seat cover to kind of match it up a little bit, but
Now it doesn't look it. I still like it, but it doesn't match it, so it's not as nice.
Yeah.
But it looks really nice. It's got the new pipe on it too.
Fuck yeah, man.
Oh yeah, dude, that's nice as hell.
You know, I was thinking about painting this black, but I think I'm gonna leave it stainless. I think it looks good.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, me and the old man, we changed the oil in it too. And we put a new air filter in it.
We didn't run it very long.
No.
Pipe is freaking nice.
I guess,
Isn't it?
Coach, start it up a second. We can't let it run for too long because she ain't tuned up, but
Coach, you got a little bark.
No, you're taking it to that dude. You took your.
yeah, I'm gonna hit up Chuck and see if he can dial her in for me. Not too loud, but then get on the thumb. No,
I like the sound.
no, it's not too loud. It's not like the Dasa. The Dasa's pretty loud.
Yeah, the days is loud as well.
Yes,
No,
it's too bright.
That's really nice. Fucking. That's a really nice pipe. Wow.